Hello everybody, thank you so much for watching. My name is Alexander. I'm a Porsche certified sales professional at Champion Porsche in South Florida, and thank you so much for watching my YouTube videos. If you appreciate my YouTube background videos, please consider subscribing to my channel. Please hit that like button and feel free to comment down below. You can also contact me directly via cell phone or email with my contact information being in the video description. In today's walk-on video, I'd like to present you this spectacular certified pre-owned 2025 Porsche 911 Carrera Coupe. This 2025 911 just arrived at our dealership. It's currently part of our certified pre-owned inventory. And in today's walk-on video, we're going to highlight the build specifications on this spectacular car. Let's start, of course, with the exterior details. Later on, we'll take a look on the inside. And of course, we're going to talk about the 992 Generation 2 in general. 2025 is the first model year of the updated 992 Generation 2. Now, the first generation 992 was introduced in model year 2020, was produced by Porsche till model year 2024, and for 2025 Porsche did an update on the 992, becoming the 992 Generation 2. This one finished in a new color, Slate Grey Neo, a modern day interpretation of the classic Slate Grey, a beautiful dark gray color, especially with these optional RS Spider design wheels. 20 inches in the front, 21 inches in the back. What's also very cool about this one has the Aerokit finished in high gloss black. So let's start here with the front fascia first. We're going to see the sport design front fascia as part of the Aerokit. Again, this is the high gloss black version, recognizable by these intake areas around this area here and here, painted by Porsche in high gloss black. This one also is optionally equipped with the adaptive cruise control. You can see the radar there in the middle. And this one also has the optional surround view camera system. The 992 Generation 2, a new front fascia design. Also no longer light spectrums in the front bumper. All the lights have been moved to the headlight units, which also from an LED perspective have been redesigned. Again, I mentioned, of course, optional RS Spider design wheels, finished in this beautiful gray tone, which I think looks very nice against the Slate Grey Neo. Let's have a closer look on the new LED technology in the inside of the headlights. Looking very spectacular. On the side, this one also optionally equipped with the Porsche decal finished in silver. This one also has the window trim in high gloss black as a factory option. On top of the vehicle, this one equipped with the optional glass sunroof. Getting to the rear of the vehicle, of course, I mentioned the 21-inch wheels. Also the sport design side skirts as part of the Aerokit, finishing again in high gloss black. Also important to know, on the 992.2, Porsche redesigned the brake system of the vehicle. So in the front now we have a larger diameter front rotor and caliper. So the rotor has been upgraded to the old Carrera S design diameter. And also from a caliper standpoint, we're now running the 6-piston caliper in the front, just like the previous generation Carrera S. But the previous generation 992.1 Carrera had a smaller diameter rotor and also a 4-piston front caliper. Again, getting here to the back, we can see the Aerokit fixed rear wing. Again, this is the high gloss black version, therefore you can see the top part of the fixed Aerokit wing is painted in high gloss black. The rest in the beautiful Slate Grey Neo. Also the Porsche letters have been finished in high gloss black. Then this one is also optionally equipped with a sport exhaust system to get the extra sound from the twin turbo flat 6 3-liter displacement, updated versus the 992.1 Carrera. So we have new turbochargers, new charge intercoolers. The turbochargers now on the new Carrera are actually the ones from the previous generation GTS. And when it comes to the charge cooler, it's actually from the 992 Turbo. So big redesign there on the engine from both a turbocharged standpoint as from an intercooler standpoint. With the fixed Aerokit wing, we have, of course, also a different intake towards the back coolers there. Looking very nice. Low mileage example, just over 2,500 miles on this vehicle in beautiful condition. Again, offered as a certified pre-owned vehicle here at our dealership in South Florida. We're the largest retailer in North America for Porsche. Located in Pompano Beach, Florida. A 22-acre Porsche setup here with multiple showrooms and a beautiful warehouse. Again, my contact information is in the video description. Feel free to reach out to me directly regarding your Porsche inquiries. Okay, let's have a look on the inside, where this one is equipped with the Slate Grey chalk leather interior upgrade. So you can see the use of Slate Grey on the top of the dashboard, chalk on most part of the seat. Now that's also a redesign they've done for the 992.2, where you have more of a two-tone effect on the seat aspect of the vehicle. The seats are the 18-way Sport Seats Plus as a factory upgrade. The speakers are the Bose speakers. You can see the beautiful slate gray with chalk also applied here on the door panel. Also equipped with the Sport Chrono package with a little yellow clock as a detail. And of course, being a 992.2, we have the redesigned instrument cluster. Let's get inside the vehicle, where we can see now the full digital instrument cluster. This one also equipped with the Sport Chrono dial here on the steering wheel. So the different driving mode, sport response button, which is now finished in red. And then also this updated design here in the center console with these lines is another change on the 992.2 interior. And this one also has the optional Porsche crest embossed in the headrests. And also equipped in this case with the rear seats as the 992.2, as the standard configuration has no back seats and is optionally equipped, still available with the back seats in case you want to carry some more stuff back there, or have of course a person in there that's a little bit shorter in terms of their length. I want to thank you for joining me on this walk around video. Again, my name is Alexander, Porsche certified sales professional at Champion Porsche. If this Porsche 911 is of your interest, we have nationwide shipping available. Feel free to reach out to me directly to talk about those details. And before we do so, let's quickly touch also, this one has the exclusive design taillights. Very nice specification. Love the Aerokit. Love the Slate Grey Neo color, especially against the gray finished RS Spider design wheels. Thanks so much once again for watching. Subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.